Okay, so good morning, you guys. Excuse my throat. Today is Friday. It'll be a week of having this sickness. It's like cold or whatever. I think I'm at the tail end. But I think so. Cause I had a really bad sore throat, like to the point where I'm like, I was confused how I did not have strep, but apparently I didn't. But my throat hurts so bad. I had to I've been taking ibuprofen so much this last week, and I don't ever take ibuprofen for nothing. So it was painful. And I don't think I shared this. I haven't blogged, but I got pink eye in this eye. I think I got it in both, but mainly this eye. But I think when I got the eye drops, it was like starting to come to the side, but I've been putting eye drops. The eye drops that I got from the eye doctor, or from the walk-in clinic, it's Oflox, I don't know. It's for pink eye. Yeah, I've been going through it, guys. I've still been working though, because when you're on the eye drops for 24 hours, you are not contagious anymore. So, yeah. I don't know if I showed you guys all my new plants. I got new plants again. I don't know. I've been really into like house plants, but got one here in the bathroom. I put that one there, and then I had moved this stuff to the back of the toilet. But yeah, this is just Blaine's little toilet seat for when he decides to go on the potty. By the way, I'm in the bathroom because everyone's sleeping, and I don't want to wake anyone up. And there's nowhere else to go in the house. Because Blaine's in my bed. He sleeps with me a lot, by the way. And then Jack and his friend are on the couch because his friend slept over. But I wanted to start off this vlog. Also, I've got little Acer Butts in here. Where is he? There he is. Good morning. I just fed him. Drinking my coffee. Okay, so I made a list. So today tonight we're gonna leave for, is it a vacation? I don't want to really say if it's a vacation. It kind of is. But it's like a couple hour drive. And we're just going to Willie's cousin's graduation, and we're staying in a hotel for 2 nights. So, if we ever go away, I really like to deep clean the house. I was going to be like, I don't know if that's weird, but I do feel like there's a lot of people out there like that. So, I started my deep clean yesterday. I cleaned the bathroom. I did laundry. I dusted. I cleaned our porch. Okay, well, let me just read you what's on the list. There's dishes, laundry. My throat. I want to clean out the fridge, get the bathroom, kitchen, porch, and sweep and mop, vacuum, mirrors and windows, and dust. So here it is. And I don't know if you guys can see the yellow pen, but I checked off a couple. I had to check off dust. And then other things I do want to do today though, obviously pack for leaving. I want to give Blaine. I want to give Blaine a bath before we go because I give him a bath every other night. So I technically should have given him one last night, but I was like, well, I'll hold off for today because then I don't have to bathe him on the trip. Like, could you imagine giving your child a bath in the hotel room? Well, I mean, it won't be that bad, actually. Never mind. Anyways, but it'll be easier. I don't have to bathe him then. I want to get some shipping done because it is Friday, so whatever I need to go out for the weekend, before the weekend. I do want to take some photos. I have half of, a bin of photos that I want to get done. I want to film an unboxing. I've been wanting to film this for 2 weeks, and I just can't get myself to do it. I Some of you guys do like my unboxing videos. It's my Amazon returns palette, but like the main reason I quit doing unboxings is I don't like doing them. I actually really dread it. I don't know why. I find them so boring, but I do know people, there are a good amount of you guys do like them, like and have commented on them. So, and they're easy, you know. It's super easy to edit also, like there's really not much editing to them. So I'm gonna keep doing it. I'll only have like 3 more hauls left. But anyways, I wanna film an unboxing. I gotta get that done. I wanna get it done before we go. And then I wanna clean up my closet. I wanna go through all my shirts and just get rid of what I don't need, because I'm like, I don't have enough, I have more hangers downstairs, but I don't have enough hangers right now for all the clothes, because I did just have to get that Shein ordered. And I just gotta go through it and get rid of stuff I don't wear. So that's on my agenda for today. Yeah, so I feel much better today, because I've been feeling, yesterday I felt pretty lousy, and I did work for I worked for 7 hours yesterday. I cleaned 2 separate Airbnb properties, and I just was like, oh my gosh. And then I got home and I thought I was just gonna lay right in bed. I did for a little bit, but then I was like, nope, getting up, and I started deep cleaning the house. I tell you, I have no pause sometimes, but it's okay. I feel better now. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm like really congested. So I gotta go book my nose, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is gonna be deep clean with me, whatever. So yeah.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Everything makes total sense when you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me. This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever. To the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only takers. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, know when to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, always such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes, you'll be just fine. You'll be just Sometimes we yell when we're sad, and sometimes we laugh when we're afraid. Sometimes we smile when we're mad, and some lines we wished we'd never said. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, know when to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, always such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes, you'll be just fine.
Okay, so I'm vacuuming. I just vacuumed in here. I didn't film it because Jack and a couple of his friends came in. Oh, these kids are driving me nuts today. All of them. Like, I don't know. I'm having a really, like, bad day. Like I'm in a bad mood type of thing. Oh, Blaine. And Blaine, he's been whiny today. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. Instead of using the steam mop yesterday when I mopped like the pantry and the bathroom, I just got on my hands and knees because I haven't really done that in a long time. So sometimes I just like to get on my hands and knees and really get it clean. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Yeah.
Something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing
Jack and his friends are on the porch. I told him to go to the park. Whatever. Okay, so I just mopped. I put everything back. Making a pizza. So although I can't really feed all the kids. I only got one pizza, so I can feed them all, but I didn't know they were all gonna be here. All I know is it is not, everyone is in a shitty mood today. So, I don't know, once Blaine goes down for a nap, I think I'm going to try to nap with him, although I'm not tired. But I feel like I just need a restart, you know, go take a nap and then wake up and just restart. I got the house all nice and clean, so that's done, and now, so I can check, yeah. Oh, I've got to do mirrors and windows. That's the only other thing. And yeah, then I can check everything else. So dishes are done, which I'll have to do more later. Fridge is done. Kitchen is done. Sweeping, mopping, vacuuming, and dusting. So then I just need shipping, photos, my closet. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to get all that done today, actually. And I was thinking when Blaine is napping is when I should do my unboxing video. Do I really? I don't know. We'll see. So, at least I got the cleaning done minus the windows and mirrors, which that isn't necessary. I mean, I don't really have to, but if I feel up to it later, I will. But I got the main stuff done, so I'm glad about that. So I'm going to go ahead, get this pizza, wait for this pizza to be done, and go get Blaine some lunch. Okay, I just want to start off by saying, I know I wear the same clothes all the time. I feel like all my vlogs I'm always wearing very similar clothes. But anyways, that light sucks. It's it makes everything look yellow. But I just woke up from a nap. I took a nap with Blaine. I was not tired. I really didn't want to take a nap. I wanted to get other stuff done. But do you ever have those days where you're you just kind of need a mental break? You just need to shut your mind off for a second, for a bit. That was today, for sure. So, hoping the rest of the day goes better mentally. So I'm sitting here. I'm gonna make sure I have all my items written down for what needs to be shipped. This is what I've got so far, and then I know I did sell one more while I was sleeping. And then I'm gonna run to my storage unit, get that. I did want to get some water too. So I'll have shipping I can cross off, and then I'm gonna for sure bathe Blaine and I'll have to pack. But then the other things that I won't get to, because it's 3 o'clock and we're leaving at 6, is taking photos. I think I'm gonna skip out on that. And then I'm either gonna do an unboxing or cleaning out my closet. I'm not sure which one yet. So that's the plan. And then 6, and I think for supper we'll just stop on the way and get something. To me, that just makes the most sense. I don't really want to cook anything.